Hello everyone. About a week ago my ducks moved residence from my basement to outdoors, and one of my viewers asked something about the pen or what it looks like or whatever, so here it is. No construction videos because I purchased this coop off of Craigslist, and well, putting up fencing is pretty straightforward. You see I put some strings up top there, and that is for aerial predators, hawks and such. They tend to swoop down and swoop back up to grab their prey. So if there's something in the way, like these strings going across, they won't swoop down. Of course, there's also trees, but anyway. So here's one of my fence posts. It's a pretty sturdy fence post. I dug this little hole here for a pond, lined it with some plastic I had laying around. It seems to hold water pretty well. And you see there's a little trickling stream over there, and I think that's actually runoff water from my driveway project. I have some videos of that, laying the pipe and everything. And I think I'm going to reroute this water, so rather than going towards this brush pile, it'll kind of veer this way and refill the pond on its own. I have the windows covered up with tarps. It's just chicken wire through. It's not glass or anything. So it was pretty chilly, so I covered up the windows temporarily. So let's say hi to the ducks. Look at them. They are huge. They grow so fast. Man, they already ate. Jesus. They make, as I've said before, quiet down, I'm trying to talk. I cleaned their coop yesterday, and man, what a mess they make. And they ate all the food, but that's good. They're eating food, which means they're growing. And they're starting to grow into their feathers. I'm surprised they're still peeping and not quacking at this point. Must be different depending on the breed. I remember seeing some much smaller ones at Tractor Supply and they were quacking already. Or maybe it was just my imagination, I don't know. Also, as a side note, when I bought this coop, it just so happened to come without a floor. It was just something you'd set on the dirt. So I put it on a pallet for easy moving. And it worked out really well because the slats make a perfect draining floor. I can just hose this out and clean everything up pretty well. A lot better than what I would have done if I were to have made one. I would have used plywood for the floor, and that would have been a real pain to clean out. But this, you can just hose it out, and the water they play with, it all just splashes right down to the ground. And it works out pretty well. All the ducks are in a row, they're waiting for their turn. I do this every day or so. When I come home from work, I'll clean out all the dirty hay in their coop, hose it out and let them play in the water and wash themselves off and all that and have some fun. And I'll go and do something else, and I'll come back and dump the water out, put some fresh hay down, and let them mess everything up again. So that's it, everybody. Thanks for watching. Just a quick little update on my duckies. Stay tuned for more once they start quacking and feathering out and swimming in the big pond over there. That'll be fun to see. And then eventually most of these guys and girls will be going into a freezer, and they will be delicious. So stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching.